Hi guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can hide these apps in Realme Note 50. Before starting the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe us for more interesting content. Firstly, just open the Play Store and write Microsoft Launcher. So this is the application. Just install this application and make sure you have a strong internet connection for this application. After installation, just open and set this application like this. Allow all the permissions. Then just go to settings and where we have Microsoft Launcher. Allow access to manage all file and then press continue. After that, just press skip. Okay. Then don't do anything, just press continue here and press let's go. There's the option your phone, your look, give your phone a whole new look with a personalized wallpaper, theme, icon, pack and more. Just tap on don't show again and click on set as default. Then select Microsoft Launcher here. That's it. Now your home screen will look like this. For hidden app, all you guys have to do just go to menu and then there is a three dots here. Click it and we have option of hidden apps. Click on hidden apps and press hide app. Then click tick mark all those apps which you want to hide. I am hiding Facebook, Spotify, Snapchat and then press done. Then press hide app. Okay, then go to home screen and again go to menu bar and see we don't have Facebook, Spotify and Snapchat option here. So it means the apps are hide. Then now again if you want to open these applications, so what you guys can do, just go to menu bar, click on three dots and press hidden app. See we have these applications here. Just select any application which you want to open. Snapchat and the application is open. And if you want to unhide this application, go to hidden app and then unhide this only. Then it will again appear on your menu bar. So through this method you guys can hide application in Realme Note 50. If this video helped you guys, so like the video and do follow us for more interesting content. See you guys in next video. Take care.